Scope and excitement of physics. From a person beginning to walk to communication over thousands of kilometers, physics has very wide scope. Basically, there are two domains of interest. The macroscopic scale is the length scale on which objects or processes are of a size that is measurable and observable by the naked eye. Microscopic. The microscopic scale is the scale of size or length used to describe objects smaller than those that are easily be seen by the naked eye and which require a lens or microscope to see them clearly. Physics tries to reach the complete understanding of the universe. It attempts to find the elementary particle that make the matter, forces that guide the phenomena, and the various forms of energy.